Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin2x, that is about 2 sin x cosine x. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus sin x squared. Now, if I do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 sin x cosine x. This one we change by u. 2 sin x cosine x ds we change by du. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.